Time now 8:54. Most of us are dry, but we do have a little shower that's crossed over into Franklin County here, kind of clipping the northern part of the county. Maybe a sprinkle or two in Frankfort, but really it kind of picks up if it is making it to the ground north of town up toward Peaks Mill. This is drifting off to the east. Most of us are dry, but you can see we do have some clouds, sunshine mixed too. Many of us, though, still primarily mostly cloudy. We did have some fog earlier this morning as well down across southern Kentucky. Visibility has started to improve down to the south, though, which is good news, and we'll expect that visibility to continue to improve. If you're seeing fog right now, it won't last too much longer. Low 60s and some upper 50s across the state. The culprit for these clouds and that little shower that was crossing through northern Franklin County is still that stubborn upper level low, but it has really gotten weaker over time within the last 24 hours here, and we'll see a downtick for sure in coverage of rainfall today. Very isolated in nature. So that's the forecast. We're talking about spotty shower or storm chance, otherwise partly sunny and warmer, anywhere from 75 to 80 degrees. I think we're closer to the upper 70s here in town. Low to mid 60s overnight. A slight chance for a shower ahead of a warm front that starts to come off to the north. Otherwise patchy fog, a light south wind there between about 3 to 8. We're looking ahead to Friday, though, and Friday is a day that we have to keep a close eye on. Cold front's going to be well to the west of us by Friday morning, but out ahead of that, we could start to see some scattered showers and storms already in play, and some of those even in the morning could be strong. Better chance for some potentially strong and severe storms Friday night into the wee hours of Saturday morning ahead of the front. The front now looks to be speeding up a bit, meaning that by the time we get to Friday or Saturday afternoon, rather, I think that most of us are drying out with the best rain chance there in the morning and in trending even drier into Sunday, as it now looks like the front may stall just to the south of us. 7-day forecast, anything that we see in terms of rainfall today will be isolated, which means the coverage is much less than what we had yesterday. Hence, a little more sun getting us warmer, even warmer tomorrow, well into the 80s here. Going into Friday, there's the potential for some severe storms that would take us into early Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, trending drier. But with the front that may stall near us Sunday through Tuesday, I will keep a small chance for maybe some isolated showers or a thunderstorm, but it is trending drier, which is good news, and maybe even a little cooler. We may see highs back in the lower and mid 70s by Monday.